starting to realise I should have bought my external battery. I'm saying that, I've got nowhere to keep it now because my jacket broke. I did order another one. Too bloody small, so I had to order another one, which should be with us tomorrow. So this year I've kind of wasted 2 jackets. Bought a bomber jacket, turned out to be too large, so that is currently being worn by one of the doormen in Carlisle. Jesus. He was saying it was getting a bit nippy, but he didn't have a very good jacket. So I said, well, hang on a second, you're bigger than me, try this bugger on for size. And it fit him, so now I've just got a small Harrington jacket, which I don't know what I'm going to do with. But all is a bit crazy around here at the moment. For those who follow my Instagram, you'll have seen the job list for one of the bikes that's in at the moment. Jesus, it's massive, and every time I go to work on something I find something else wrong. So I'm trying to save money where I can by repairing it myself. I wouldn't say bodge fixing, but making the part serviceable again is one thing, and that's what I'm doing. But it won't be perfect. It's nothing mechanical. All the mechanical stuff and the safety stuff is getting done right. You know, I have said that to them. If I think there's a safety issue, I am going to replace it. I'm not going to bodge fix safety stuff. But the headlight trim's damaged, but it's not twisted or bent. So what I'm thinking is I'm just going to use some liquid metal to build it back up and sand it to shape, and then just paint the whole thing black, because I think on this bike a lot of stuff should have been black from the factory. Now I've got a load of black paint to remove, and then that someone else has put on, and then do it properly using an etch primer. But I can't get my hands on any satin black at the moment until at least tomorrow, because my supplier hasn't got any in, so I've got to put an order in, get it delivered up here, and then go and get it, unless I can blag them into delivering. Problem is I'm not using my trade account, and the trade account I'm using is in a house we don't live in anymore, so well, they don't live in. I'm trying to get my trade account sorted out again. So there's the customer's bike there. As you can see, there's not a huge amount left. I've got the wheel, the forks around there, the tank's knackered, the seat's okay, forks is slight, have a one of the mudguard bolts is snapped in the fork. That happens all the time. You'd be surprised how often that happens. So, and it was the last one as well. I knew it would happen. I actually said if one's going to snap, it'll be that last one. And guess what? It snapped. So that shall be back on the road very soon.